What's up, guys? Today we got the unboxing and first look of the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, the Galaxy S21, Galaxy Buds Pros, the Samsung Smart Tag, and the Samsung Super Fast Wall Charger. So we got a lot of ground to cover. So let's get going. First up, we got the Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. So let's open up this bad boy. Big phone right here. Look at that. Got this bad boy, the Phantom Black. Let's peel this out. Ooh, beautiful matte black finish. Let's see what's got in the front. Ooh, beautiful. Look at that camera module. In the front, we have a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with 120 Hz. It's a HDR10 Plus capable, and it has a peak brightness of 1500 nits. So if you want to watch content on daylight, on bright daylight, no problem. In the back, we have a quad camera setup. We have a 108 megapixel sensor. We have a 10 megapixel 10 times zoom optical lens. We have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera for those great landscape shots, laser autofocus, and your 10 megapixel 3 times zoom lens. It's rocking the Corning Gorilla Victus in the back and in the front too. So let me turn this baby on. I'll be back. And I'm back. So in the front, we got a 40 megapixel camera, which is capable of 4K, 30, and 60 frames per second. We also have an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. So let's try that out. Pretty fast unlock. You can also do face unlock. See how fast that is. Very fast. Very fast face unlock. Screen resolution, it's 1440 by 3200. The S21 is rocking Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 888 processor. I have the 128 gigabyte variant with 12 gigabytes of RAM. It has a 5000 milliamp battery, so it's a big battery. It should last you all day. Capable of 25 watt fast charge, but the bad thing is Samsung doesn't include a charger anymore. You only get a USB C to C cable. That's it. Kind of bums me out that they don't include a charger. Just like Apple. Apple doesn't include charger anymore, and Samsung is following their steps. So let's see that 120 Hz display in action. See how smooth it is. Look at that fast scrolling. Smooth. Fast, responsive. It's a flagship phone, so what can you expect? Let's try the camera. Get your regular lens. 3 times zoom. 10 times zoom. So let's go a little bit further. Let's try Straight 30. Woo! Can't focus. So let's go back. Video. We got Full HD 30, Full HD 60, Full HD Auto, Ultra HD 30, Ultra HD 60, and 8K video. This is rocking Android 11 with Samsung's 3.1 UI. So let's keep it moving. We got a lot of stuff to get to. Next up, we have the Samsung S21 5G. This is a Phantom Silver. This is rocking a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED display. It's better to handle. A lot smaller phone. Got 3 cameras set up. Got 12 megapixels, ultra wide, 12 megapixel main sensor, and a 60 megapixel 3x zoom lens. This is rocking Corning Gorilla Victus in the front and a polycarbonate back, which means it's a plastic. Hear that? Doesn't feel like a plastic. Feels premium. But hey, this is $799. It's $200 cheaper than the last year's model. So let me set this baby up and I'll be back. And I'm back. Here in the front, we got 10 megapixel camera, which is capable of 4K 30 and 4K 60. This is rocking Snapdragon's 888 processor, same as the S21 Ultra. The S21 screen's resolution is 1080 by 2400, but it's also 120 Hz capable. See, super smooth, fast, responsive. Let's try the camera. Regular zoom, ultra wide, and your 3x telephoto. Check the video. Same modes as the S21 Ultra. Got HD 30, Full HD 30, Full HD 60, Ultra, 4K 30, 4K 60, and 8K 24. So this is a beast, like the S21 Ultra in the camera department. It's also rocking a 4000 milliamp battery. We gotta test that out, see how long it goes. There you go. This is the S21. So let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the super fast wall charger, which is capable of 25 watt. There you go. Only the charger in the box. No USB cable, no nothing. Next up, Samsung Smart Tag. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag. It's a Find My Anything locator. It's Bluetooth capable and sends signals to other Samsung devices in order for you to find them. Supposedly it has a 120-yard range, so you can attach this to your keys, pads, backpacks, or anything. So if you lose a lot of stuff, maybe you want to get one of these. It also has this button right here. Supposedly it works with your smart devices at home. So you can assign the button to turn on the TV, turn on a light, or anything in your smart home. We gotta test this out. Alright, let's move on. Next up, we got the Galaxy Buds Pro. These are the new noise cancelling earbuds from Samsung. So let's see what's in the box. Here we have our USB-C cable to charge in. Got a tiny box. Got more silicone buds inside. I got them in the Phantom Black so I can match my Samsung S21 Ultra. Popping open. Let's see if they fall from the box. Nope. They're in there pretty good. Magnets are strong. These feature noise cancellation, active noise cancellation. They also feature ambient sound. So if somebody's talking to you, or you're gonna cross the street and you want to hear the cars, just tap on the side and you can hear everything around you. They feature touch controls. They're IPX7 water resistant, which means if you're exercising and getting a little bit of sweat on the earbuds, or you're running on the beach and you fall in the water, they'll still be working. They're capable of submerging in water for 3 feet for 30 minutes. They also have a feature that when you're using the active noise cancellation and it detects that you're gonna talk, it automatically switches to ambient sound so you can hear whatever the other person tells you. So that's kind of neat. These are rated for 8 hours of listening time and 28 hours with the case. And with noise cancellation on, they're rated for 5 hours and 18 hours total with the case. These are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. So there you go, guys. This was my unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung S21 Ultra, the regular S21, Samsung Buds, 25-watt charger, and the Smart Tag. See you guys in the next one. Peace.